It began as an ordinary winter season across Russia's Far East, but in January 2026, extreme weather transformed the Kamchatka Peninsula into one of the most severe nature disaster zones in decades. Heavy snow fell, relentlessly and without relief, burying entire towns, stranding vehicles, and forcing residents into tunnels carved through walls of snow just to reach the outside world. This is breaking news from the heart of Russia's remote Far Eastern region. Across the peninsula, from Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky to Vilyuchinsk, snow depths soared well beyond normal winter levels, creating a deep white blanket that measured in meters, not centimeters. Lives were disrupted, infrastructure stalled, and authorities were pushed to declare emergency measures. Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, the regional capital of Kamchatka Krai, official hydrometeorological data showed around 370 millimeters of snow in December, more than 3 times the typical monthly total. From January 1st to 16th, an additional 163 millimeters fell, pushing snow depths to approximately 1.7 meters and over 2.5 meters in some neighborhoods. Streets and roads vanished beneath thick drifts. Vehicles, including four-wheel drives, were nearly submerged, their windshields and rooftops lost beneath the white. In many districts, building entrances were blocked, forcing residents to dig private passageways just to reach the street. For viewers following this storm, this report will lay out the scale of the disaster, the human impact, and why this extreme nature event has caught the attention of meteorologists worldwide. Snow began accumulating in earnest in late December 2025, as powerful low-pressure systems over the Sea of Okhotsk fed moist air into the region. By mid-January, some areas had recorded more than 2 meters, over 6 feet, of snow on the ground, a level unseen in roughly 60 years. Transportation arteries ground to a halt. Flights were canceled, public transit suspended, and delivery routes cut off as snowbanks reached heights comparable to traffic lights in the second story of apartment buildings. Daily life in cities once bustling with activity became a struggle to simply move. Tragically, the disaster has claimed lives. Local officials confirmed at least 2 deaths in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, both attributed to snow collapsing from rooftops. A stark reminder of the hidden dangers posed by extreme snowfall and heavy accumulations pressing down on buildings. The Moscow Times emergency services worked around the clock. Teams of snow sweepers and rescue volunteers dug through drifted streets, cleared access to hospitals, and reached isolated residents. The regional government declared a state of emergency to unlock additional resources and mobilize crews to affected areas. Meteorologists explain that this heavy snow event stemmed from a series of strong winter storms coupled with unusually moist air currents from the Pacific. These systems repeatedly swept across the peninsula, sustaining blizzard conditions, strong winds, and snowfall rates that far exceeded long-term averages. As this nature disaster continues to unfold, officials urge residents to stay informed and heed safety directives. Relief crews are focused on reopening major thoroughfares and restoring utilities as quickly as weather conditions permit. Communities across Kamchatka are demonstrating quiet resilience, banding together amid extreme snow and hardship, determined to reclaim their streets, restore daily life, and emerge from beneath the snowdrifts that have shaped this winter's story. The cumulative snowfall, including the extraordinary totals of late December, suggest recovery efforts may take weeks, if not months, before Kamchatka returns to normalcy.